If you don't see incoming calls on OnePlus 15R, then one of the main reasons why you might not see incoming calls is the Do Not Disturb mode, which you should be able to easily find, for example, in Control Center or Quick Settings. You want to make sure that DND mode is not activated. Besides that, DND can be found in the sound and vibration settings in here. So of course you can go through these settings and adjust DND if you still want to use it, but you want to make sure that you can see incoming calls, for example, from people that you care about, even if DND is active. And besides that, if DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then what you can do is you can simply reboot your phone. So you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then we can slide up in here in order to restart the phone. Besides that, if restarting doesn't help either, we can go to apps and then choose app management. Here in the upper right corner, tap on these three dots and choose to show system apps. Now we're gonna use the search option and we can search for the phone app, and you should be able to find a bunch of different apps in here. But first let's start with this phone app over here. We're gonna force stop it. Then you want to go to notifications and you want to make sure that everything is set up properly. You don't want to have these notifications set as silent, and also you don't want probably to hide notification details as well. Although I don't think this should be the issue. But of course, ringtone vibration should be enabled. You can also allow in Do Not Disturb if you want to make sure that the app should work even in the DND mode. And we can also find some additional categories like incoming calls and so on and so forth, so you can check that as well and make sure that everything is set up. You can also go to permissions and you can double check if that list of permissions is granted in your case as well. In case something is not granted, then of course you want to go there and make sure that the app can use these select permissions. Besides that, we're gonna go to the storage usage and you want to clear data of this app. We're gonna go back to the list of apps and we're gonna go to phone call / SMS storage. Now in here we just go to storage usage and you want to clear cache or clear data if you can. Next, we're gonna go to the phone services, and in here go to the storage usage as well, and also clear data or clear cache if you cannot clear data. Sorry. Now after that, we're gonna switch from phone to call, and then we can find the call management. And in here, go to the storage usage, and you want to clear data in here as well. And that should be pretty much it. There's also the AI call assistant, but I don't think this can cause the issue of incoming calls not showing up on your phone. So once we are done with all of that, you can once again restart or reboot your phone. And it is important to go into the phone app as well to open it to ensure that it is actually running somewhere in the background at least. And now you should be able to check if you can see finally incoming calls. And you may notice that the phone app looks slightly different after doing all of this, and that is completely fine. This is the old style of the phone app, which you might remember from, for example, your previous device. But it should go back to this newer design in a short amount of time. It should update pretty soon, so you shouldn't worry about it. And of course, the app should work pretty fine regardless. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.